Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's headlines. Pakistan-Turkey holds joint military exercise Ataturk 11. Pakistan and Turkey's joint military exercise Ataturk 11 kicked off in Karbala to help in adapting the emerging trends in military modernization and cooperation. Video showing horse trading during Senate election surfaces. A video has surfaced which exposed the horse trading during Senate election in 2018 by some party lawmaker who could be seen as counting bundles of currencies and hiding it inside the bag. Karachi court remands 5 terrorists in CTD custody until 20th. An anti-terrorism court handed over 5 arrested terrorists to the Counter-Terrorism Department on physical remand until 20th February. Bitcoin extends gains above $47,000 in Asia. Cryptocurrencies extended gains in Asia, with Bitcoin and Ethereum reaching record highs in the wake of Telsa Inc. investment in Bitcoin. 8 killed, 911 injured in 868 accidents in Punjab. At least 8 people killed, while 911 sustained injuries in 866 road accidents in the Punjab during the last 24 hours. 2 children injured after pistol goes off accidentally. 2 children got injured after the pistol they were playing with went off in Sindh's Khairpur district. Zoo seeks public's help to find missing peat crow. A Texas zoo has sought public assistance to find a peat crow that escaped during a training session for the free-flighted bird show. 12-year-old boy gets life-saving surgery after swallowing 54 toy magnets. A 12-year-old schoolboy in Manchester underwent life-saving surgery after he deliberately swallowed 54 toy magnets. Father killed and 2 sons injured as train rammed into the motorcycle. A man was killed while his 2 sons sustained injuries when a freight train rammed into a bike they were riding in Sucker. Stats show Rizwan is best wicketkeeper batsman in the world since 2018. Pakistan's wicketkeeper batsman Mohammad Rizwan was all over after he registered his first century in the test match. This is the end of today's news. Subscribe our YouTube channel, like it, share it and comments on it, and also follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.